Ingrid Andress has got a new one out. It's called A Waste of Lime. This is definitely a summertime kind of thing. It's got a little bit of a Stand By Me. We can see the verse. A, F sharp minor. Back to A. F sharp minor to D, up to E. That's the way Dillon. B7 to E, back to D, and does a walk down from A, F sharp, back to D, E, goes to A. That is Waste of Lime. If you want the complete blueprint for this song, including the tabs, chords, and more, go to jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's completely free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier. Let me give you a couple clues on this one. So this one's, it's obviously a full band going on, but if you want to play this on an acoustic or with a friend, you kind of want to you want to make some noise on this one, you know. I'm doing a little working off of my open A and my open E string. Little trick for doing like a rousing country kind of thing. It's the big twang theory, you know. You got to get that. But basically, the rhythm to this has kind of a stab rhythm, almost like. If you want to substitute this D for a bar D, you can. If you want to get that sound, you know, sort of a middle of the neck sound, you can use bar chords. So you can go F sharp minor, also like this, and then you can come up to your bar D. Okay? And then when you get to your D, to your A, when it jumps up to a B7, you can do this. And then to the 5, which is an E. It does the walk down. I'll show you that in slow motion. We've all heard that one before, right? I'm doing it like this. Bar chord or half a, it's a partial A chord. Or you can do regular A. Maybe get your pinky up here on the 5th fret. That's a form of E to F sharp minor. And then to D. And then just as a footnote, it does. She had to play a pretty penny for that one to the Beach Boys because that was their hit. I think it's called Kokomo. But it's a fun little summer song, cool little ditty. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you down the road.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll, rock and roll. Stay awesome. Rock and roll!
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.